So I was laying down. I had to unplug my big tablet. Rocco's outside in his RV. He's terrified of lightning, and I'm not. But, I unplugged my tablet because the power started to fluctuate on that wall. So yeah, some pretty good lightning outside. Watch this. Hopefully you'll see it right here. It's been not far from my window, so poor Rocco, because he's like right there. I told him we were gonna have a thunderstorm. It's like, oh, come on. Then I looked at the color of the sky. He's like, well, we're gonna have rain, and I'm like, no, we're gonna have lightning. Like, bam, lightning. Did he believe me? No, but he does now. So relaxing for me. And the reason Rocco doesn't like lightning, poor old fella, when he was a young buck, and when he lived in Florida with his ex, apparently some lightning had come through the wall, I think it was, through a wall socket, and it hit him and knocked him across the room. No wonder he's cranky. Anyway, that's right, Rocco, you're cranky. But yeah, I don't know, maybe it's my energy, and it'll help me heal. I haven't been feeling good again, but I'm not going to let it stop me. Just take a couple of days off from content. Anyway, yeah. Oh, yeah, and Texas is expecting more bad weather for a whole week. Like, holy crap, if they haven't already gone through enough. Up here in New Jersey, we do get hurricane weather a lot. Like, anybody remember Hurricane Sandy? I remember that because that went through when I lived in Philadelphia, and we had got hit in Philly by Hurricane Sandy. And the power was out in certain sections of Philly for a very long time. Big city, a lot to cover. Anyway, be careful if you have to be out in this stuff. Like first responders, yeah, they have to be careful out in this. Because some people get stupid and they think it's cool just to go outside and play around with metal. That's not a good idea. Anyway, lightning is frightening to some people. It's very calming to me. It's also the reason I shut off my tablet is because of the music. Even though that music's on YouTube. But, yeah. Al Kaboom. Just joking. Love. Lightning. Can be frightening. Anyway, I'll just upload this. I know you can't really see me. Sort of. Anyway. I'm gonna lay back down and enjoy the sound of natural kaboomy music called lightning and thunder. It's a wonder. Actually, if you are a grounded person and you love energy, lightning is your way to, how can I say this? Calm yourself before you go to sleep. It's a good way to meditate and ground yourself. Right? Well, anyway, good night.